Moin, Süden Mike. How's it going? I was just in the National Mining Museum. It's an amazing place. I even rode a train into the mine. The next stop on my Minett Tour is the Museum of Cockerill Mine. As usual, I am going to use my mobilité app. The Cockerill Mine is in Elegron, on the outskirts of Esch. Now I have several options. I could take a Veloké. There's a station here at the National Mining Museum, and there's also a station at the Museum of the Cockerill Mine. But I'm going to take a bus from Rumelage at Alle Kirfisch to the Eschgar. I got my bike. Where is my bike? Oh, here's my bike over here. So from here, I'm going to take bus 12 all the way to the end. But I'm not going to take my bike. I'm going to stow it at an M-Box, a service where you can stow your bike for free. You just leave it there and go off and do whatever you're going to do. And then I'll come back and I'll get the bike later. M-Box is right over here. I'll show you how this works. This is pretty darn cool. Oh, wow, there it is. So you take your M card, you swipe it, and voila, it opens magically. My bike is safely stowed. There is my bus, bus 12. Let's get my mask on. So I'm going to take this bus to the end in Place Pierre Ponnard, and from there it's only a 5-minute walk to the Museum of the Cockerill Mine. And it's a nice day, so it's going to be a nice walk. Here is a sign with loads of information. In fact, here's a bunch of nature trails. Wow. For the museum, this is what we're looking for. Okay, that is our goal, and it is in that direction. There looks to be some kind of viewpoints, so I'm gonna check that out. Wow, this is very cool. Looks like the little trains where they would get the ore, and it's great. It's like this mix of like nature and then history. So this place is really quite remarkable because you have all these beautiful nature trails around here and then all this amazing mining equipment that you can kind of walk around and explore on your own. Well, right now I am going to go into the museum itself, but join me on the next episode of FORT E GEET.